Welcome back, another part. I always say that, don't I? One day I say it's finished. We got some parts arrived. Yep, welcome back. Wednesday. Keys, cold. Right, got some parts, panels arrived. Ordered it, I said the other day, ordered some stuff from DSN Classics. Ordered it Sunday night. Arrived today, so arrived yesterday, or Tuesday. So yeah, pretty good ordering. Wouldn't have expected them to arrive. The one sitting panel is just a doorstep. Pretty sure this is a Magnum panel, but it's got the label on it. That's for the race car. And then we've got the last few panels. Not that these are really panels. But I've got the gutter strips to go. The rain drip channels, drip thingies. So they're good. They look this. I think these are. Unless P&L making them, so oh no, it's got P&L numbers on them. See. So anyway, don't know who makes them, but it could well be M Machine. It could be M Machine, couldn't it? And then one last panel. As I said, I was going to scrap the door, but I haven't. I've ordered and got the repair channel. So not quite sure how that goes in and what could be repaired. But yeah, I think that could be the most of what we need to fix that. So we'll have to cut the door open a little bit more to find out. But yeah, so we've got that as well. So now definitely I think we have enough panels to finish a car. So it's very cold out here. Don't know how long I'm going to last, as I say all the time. So let's see how much more we can do of this inner wing. So let's just cut some sections and fill it in to do the best we can. Yeah, got a big old hole up there, but we can roll it around a bit more. I might roll it around a bit more actually anyway, so we can get to it. Yeah, well, I'll keep you guys well away from that weld. Should have cut this back a bit more really. I might trim a bit more of this out. It's got a little bit thin, so yeah, we'll do a bit more cutting and make a bit of a slightly bigger area. So yeah, looking alright. I think that'll all push out. Form a nice edge there. Yeah, we're getting there slowly, yeah, so that'll do. As I said, it's only got to go behind the inner A panel. You can just double check, see how it's sitting. Right down there, like that. Sitting quite high and proud, but yeah, we need to check that. Again, we won't put this on until we've got the front end bolted on, or at least the front wing on, to prove where it's going to go. They're not ideal, these inner wings, but these pattern ones, but they're better than nothing, It's getting cold, very cold. Alright, let's check the time, and let's just see if we can, let's weld one more bit of metal in before we give up for the night. I apologise, it's cold. Okay, so it's a short one tonight. It's just freezing my arse up. Anyway, I need to go get my thermals on next time. Anyway, so yeah, let's get in there. Nearly hole getting smaller and smaller. That's all you can do. Yeah, there's not really holes there. That's just oxygen. So anyway, yeah. So we need to cut a bit more of this up here yet. That needs a bit more repairing. And then yeah, finish this box section off. Check out the other side went now because I can't remember. So this has obviously got to come down to here. Got to overlap this. And then somehow leave yourself without a hole. I'll have to watch back the old videos, so that covers quite a lot, so that's fine. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so this corner comes over there, and I'll put a weld down the sill here to the corner. Yeah. And the next thing to do, if you remembered last time, is what we did was we trimmed the A panel. I cut up here, and then I've got some. Well, I haven't even finished doing it, have we yet? The other side. We just got and we welded that on. And made the welds down here, so they're not going to be seen. I left this edge to help keep it save on distortion because I'm not very good. So if you can weld on the right angle edge, less chance of distorting, that's for sure, than trying to go flat to flat. So yeah, we get that done. As I said, the original Mark 1 were all one piece, so I think the whole side frame and the A panel was pressed. And then later on, when I guess maybe they went to Mark 2s or slightly later, they changed to separate A panels. But you can get this section because I've seen them and I've got some. But anyway, alright, let's go inside, warm this beer up, turn the gas off. Boys, turn the gas off. Gas off. Alright guys, till next time, enjoy.